Conversion of numbers in base 10 to base 3. Example 1. Convert 70 base 10 to base 3. Solution. Then we draw a table. The number to be converted, 70, we write it here. Then to what base? Base 3. You put the 3 here. Now we start. 70 divided by 3. That's 23. Because 23 times 3 is what? 69. So remainder what? Remainder 1. Now we use 3 again. 23 divided by 3. That is what? 7. Remainder what? 7 times 3. 21. 23 minus 21. That is 2. Now we have 3 here. 7 divided by 3. What are we going to have? 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So the remainder is what? 1. Then we have 3 again. You can see at this stage, the number we have here now, which is 2, is less than what we are using to divide. So in that case, it means that we have what? 2 divided by 3. We have 0. The remainder is what? Is 2. Remainder 2. So the answer, you take it from bottom to up. So we say 70 base 10 is equal to what? From down, up, 2. The next number, which is what? 1. Then we write 2. Then 1. And we write the base, which is base 3. That is the solution to the problem.